Hello guys, my name is Rahim and welcome to the channel. So if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and I'll keep you posted on more stuff to come. So today the video is about how to insert Adsense code into your WordPress website. So if you are a beginner like me, this is the video for you. So I will show you how it's done. So if you are new here, please subscribe and drop below and put your comment how you think about the video and what you don't like, what you would like me to improve, and all those that you want to talk about. So, and don't forget to share it on Facebook or maybe on any social platform. Thank you for watching. So if you are excited like I am, let's do it. I'm on my laptop right now, so we'll search for Adsense on Google. So it will be brought here. You have been brought here. Either you sign in or sign up. In our case, we sign in. But if you're new, you have to sign up. So you sign up. You will be brought to a page like this where you fill in your details, your website URL, and then your email address. After which you click here to save and continue. After that, you'll be brought to a page like this, which you have this code to paste onto your website. In our case, our WordPress website. So guys, I've already done it before, so I'll do it again for you guys to see how it's done. So we copy this code, or you just click here to copy. So if it is copied, you go to your WordPress dashboard